Hey y'all, welcome back to the vlog. So, it's about 12:30. No, maybe. Mama, move. They love outside. They love outside. These dogs love outside. It's about 12:30, 45, somewhere in there. And I just got off from work. I've got a dentist appointment. So I took a half a day off. And I've got to go get that done. So, what I'm gonna do, it's nice out today. It's been freezing here, and I've worried about my plants, and I have one more bed to plant. So while I have a few minutes before I have to leave in about 45 minutes. It's not far to the dentist's office. I'm gonna come out and plant this one bed. If you get in my garden, and I mean that in Jesus' name, it's about to be some problems. Bubba, I need you to measure from that end to how far this is, both sides, so I'll know how much wire I need to get. So what I'm gonna do is get the kids to come out and help me actually to get this one last bed planted. And then I've got a few more things. I'm actually gonna repot the plants that I bought the other day at Walmart and put them in the pots that we already have to give them more space to grow. And then I've got a tray for the table. We have the grill table that needs to come out. We are slowly but surely making this little side yard kind of a place where we want to come and just eat and sit and do. There's some shade here, like there's shade over here. This is all sunny. So it's going to be nice once we get done with it. But we're going to quickly just plant and then water. We did not water yesterday. It was really cold and I just honestly forgot. Still looks like the tomatoes are doing good. They're starting to stand up, which is very helpful. My cabbage, I kind of have a few questions, but I'm going to go with it. We're going to water it and everything's going to be perfect. So just going to get you guys, I'm doing cauliflower today. Cauliflower, and we got some more peppers. So we're going to finish filling out this pepper bed with more peppers. I've got cauliflower, and then I do have some squash, some zucchini squash. So I think I'm going to put those in a couple grow bags. So I think that's what we're going to do while my dream team just stands over there looking at me. They chilling, waiting on instructions, I'm sure. Jackson, yes. I want you to measure. Yes. Could we be measuring? We could be measuring. Yeah. They do not like me right now. They like, Mom, I thought you had an appointment and you coming home and you trying to do stuff. Yes, I am. I'm maximizing every minute that I have because things must be done. And I have to teach 2 classes tonight. I don't have time. We got stuff to do. Okay, so I was able to get these with the 4 in them for $3.48. So I have 12 more pepper plants. I've got 6 cauliflower that look a little sus. And I have some zucchini. From the edge of this bed all the way down to the end. To see here. Because I need to get I gotta get some fencing to put up to keep the dogs out. How much is it? Two, how many? 255. Okay. How many feet does that say? How many feet?
Just about 21.
21 feet? Hey, Mama! No, ma'am, Alana. You do not let her get away with that. Okay. Something is on this ground that she wants, and she's not letting Alana get close. Mama, come. Mama. Was it mushroom? Hey, come. Stop. Mama. Hey. What are you eating? Stop it. She's never been aggressive, but she will bark at them. And Acro came over and was messing with her, and she'll bark at him too. She may have gotten aggressive with me when I've clipped nails.
Oh, but she doesn't like that.
She doesn't love clipping her nails. But I mean, she does the little lippy thing, but she's never gotten aggressive with me. She's not aggressive as a dog. I mean, now she got teeth and she will bite, but she's never been aggressive with us. But if you don't belong here, might be a different story. I gotta get these peppers planted. Where are all of my utensils for planting? And then can I have the tripod, please? Alana, bring those potted plants over to the table so I can work on those, please. Or maybe let's do the grow bags. I'll leave the potted plants for now because I may not have enough soil. But I only have about 45 minutes and I got to get stuff done. It's a must. I think I'm going to do the zucchini in the pots, in the grow bags, because I don't want to put them in the bed with the cauliflower and not have enough space for them to grow out. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put you guys up on a tripod and get a few things done, because trying to hold you in my hand is not very effective for what I need to get done. And no, I would not normally be out in the garden in my dress clothes, but I do not have time to change and then change again. I'm not going to do anything that's going to get me overly dirty, just my hands, and I'm going to wear gloves. And the kids are here helping, so it's all good. Up on a tripod you go. Do you have a scissor? Be a trash bag. Okay, bring the soil over. All right, so we got these felt bags from Amazon. They came from gardensonline.com. And they're like felt bags, right? They're not overly tall, so they are kind of shortish. But we can do, and then it has like the hole, well, not holes, but where water should not be held in here, but it should be able to drain out. Drainage is what I have concern about. But this is what the bag looks like. So I've got 4 zucchini here, so I'm gonna try to do 4 bags. Maybe we'll put them on the ground, sister. That might be better.
Where are you gonna put them?
I'm gonna put them in front of this garden to hopefully keep the dogs from coming over here. Just sit them like on the mound them up here.
Like up here?
No, in front. In front of there. I've got to get more tomatoes to go out here.
Why don't you put it like over there?
Because I want to keep the dogs from getting over here. So for right now, I'm trying to make a barrier to keep them from trying to want to be over here. Can I get some fertilizer? Jackson, if I ask you to measure this thing one more time.
I already did.
Did you mark it off?
Yes.
Where? Did you make the little lines and the squares with the thing? Like we did the cabbage? That's 1. We gotta get 4 of these. And I don't want to put too much stuff on the grass where Mr. Jerome has to cut, because I don't want to have to move it. Right? We don't have to move stuff when he has to come cut the grass. We're gonna need 4 of these. Okay, hold that. I'll get it planted and I'll put some more in. Throw some of your fertilizer. Alrighty, you guys, so here's the garden. So of course there are our tomatoes, and this is the netting we put up. You really can't tell it's here because it's so sheer, but it is there to keep the dogs out prayerfully. So we have tomatoes out here. We planted those a couple days ago, and they are going out of the tomato cages, so I do have to train them back in, and I'm probably gonna get the kids to come over. Y'all come help me put these tomatoes back into the cages so that they're not spreading out. And then these are my squash plants, my zucchini that I put out. So I've got 4 zucchini here, and then I have 4 in the grow bags in the back, and I may have to move those I think it started to shade now, so the sun is gone from in the back. Then of course we do have our grapevine. You gotta come around, sister. The grapevine, I've got to find a new lattice for that. And then here, of course, is my work table. I love having that work table there. And then these are all the peppers. We have hot peppers, bell peppers, red peppers. We've just got all the peppers that you could think of. I still have about 16 grow bags left. And I'm thinking I need to put some stuff in those grow bags as well. So this is all dedicated to peppers. We really do like peppers. Here we have cauliflower. They were a little bit raggedy in the thing yesterday, but they look okay today. Y'all, we do need more water for the plants. These gonna have to be watered on this side, so it's well watered, right? They have to be watered again. And then over here, of course, we have a row of lettuce here, a row of spinach, and then there's 2 rows of carrots. So those are all underneath the ground, have not sprouted out yet. And my cabbage is actually looking better today. We had a real cold snap a couple days ago, and then this wind has been 100% disrespectful. But the cabbage is starting to look a whole lot better. And thus far I have not. Look at this monkey. Y'all look at that monkey over there. You can, he just rolls. He's a roller. Now, ma'am is not here for rolling in the dirt. But other people, yeah, Mr. Dirt Roller. Anywho, yeah, there that is. So just a glimpse of the garden. Of course, the kids and I are doing as well as we've been able to do. This is by far the biggest garden we've done. And we don't even have, half the things out here that we probably should be growing or want to grow. But it's a good start for us. And then we put the netting up to keep the dogs out. So that's why we did that. So anywho, there it is. All the things garden. We appreciate you guys so much for stopping by. If you like this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and we will see you guys the next time. Bye now.